tutorial everyone to make a simple and reliable 220 volt milk light flashing indicator light. The first step is to prepare an 1N4007 diode. Pay attention to the positive and negative directions. Prepare another one with a withstand voltage of 400 volts. Electrolytic capacitors with a capacity of 4.7 microfarad. Connect the positive electrode of the capacitor to the negative angle of the diode, and then you use a small resistor of about a microfarad. The resistor is terminated at the negative angle of the capacitor. An ordinary milk bulb. Milk light bulbs are not divided into positive and negative, just connect it to both ends of the capacitor. Finally, connect the 220 volt input line. The input wires are connected to the diode and the resistor. Positive and negative electrical circuits are simple for everyone's safety, or the circuit diagram is turned for reference. The circuitry is very simple to use, as long as the input terminal is connected to 220 volts. Our milk light bulbs will flash. There are still many advantages to using milk bulbs as indicator lights. For example, it is better than LED. The tolerable temperature is much higher. It is important to note that the voltage of the whole circuit is very high, so we can't touch the circuit with electricity. Be sure to pay attention to your own safety. See you next time.